Good day. I'm Christine Arqueza Tulio, 41 years of age, and a passionate science teacher with over 15 years of experience in educating biology, chemistry, and physics. Throughout my career, I have had the opportunity and privilege to teach students age 12 to 18 to inspire the wonders of science and also develop their critical thinking skills. I'm very much eager to join the Cultural Exchange Teacher Program by Global Teaching Partners because I believe that sharing my knowledge and understanding different culture is a very essential tool in today's interconnected world. Moreover, I also want to broaden my professional horizons, learn new teaching and educational pedagogies, also contribute to fostering global connections among students, and of course, last but never the least, attain financial stability. So this program is very unique because it offers opportunity for professional growth and also cultural exchange. And I am very much excited to be a part of a community that values diversity, innovation, and lifelong learning. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.